you for dropping in and joining me for this video. I've been looking forward to my stay at Westgate, especially after watching the Elvis movie.
Without me, there would be no Elvis Presley.
My check-in experience at Westgate was fabulous. Westgate offers complimentary early check-in anytime after 1 p.m. based on availability. I booked a signature room at Westgate and was assigned a room on the 25th floor with a strip view. The signature rooms measure up at 400 square feet and have a Vegas chic motif in a dazzling Hollywood-inspired setting that comes adorned with some fabulous prints of the King, the Blonde Bombshell, and the greatest of all time,
Muhammad Ali.
The bed comes with a Simmons Beauty Rest Shadfield Recharge Signature mattress, and it was very comfy. The room also comes with a mini fridge for your own personal use. There was plenty of space inside, and it had its own thermostat control. There is a safe down here. At the window, there is a workspace with a granite countertop. It is a nice space to enjoy a private meal or just take in a view of Las Vegas and the Sphere. This room is located on the center of the 25th floor, just 5 floors below where Elvis Presley lived. Around the corner is the closet space, sink, and vanity area. In the closet, there is a set of backup bedding sealed in plastic and plenty of closet space. Inside the door is where you'll find the throne and a shower tub combo. There was plenty of hot water, and the tub was decent enough to take a good soak. And the old school shower head just rocked. The Westgate pool area consists of a single large pool, and there are plenty of free lounge chairs situated close to the pool. The poolside music was a nice mix and wasn't too loud. There was plenty of space for the kids to play and the adults to relax. A good time for all. At the Cabana Bar, adult beverages are available, also light bites, burgers, salads, family meals, and Dole Whip. At Westgate, guests under 48 inches are required to wear life jackets in the pool water. Also located on the pool deck is the Westgate Serenity Spa and Fitness Center. The fitness center offers state-of-the-art cardio equipment, free weights, and weight machines. Tennis courts are available, complete with a pro shop. If you prefer pickleball, no problemo. Westgate now has pickleball courts. The International Bar at Westgate offers live entertainment 7 nights a week. And it's kind of a grandpa party. A fabulous swinging grandpa party. Go, Daddy-O. Back in 1969, Westgate was the International Hotel, and Elvis Presley was signed for a 4-week engagement. It would be his first public stage appearance in 8 years. He went on to perform a total of 636 shows at the hotel, with every show being sold out. Sadly, the King's run of performances at the Hilton was cut short by his death in August 1977. After his death, his infamous manager, Colonel Tom Parker, lived at the Hilton for several years and was a fixture at the hotel as an entertainment consultant for much of the remainder of his life. Barry Manilow has a long-running residency at Westgate and just broke the King's record for most consecutive performances there. Many other iconic legends have performed here over the years, including pianist Liberace and the stud of the strip, Wayne Newton. Let's talk food at Westgate. There's one heck of a nice Benihana. Here you can enjoy delicious Japanese menu options prepared exhibition style by master chefs right in front of your eyes, while being surrounded by lush Japanese gardens, flowing ponds, and exotic statuary. Fresco Italiano offers a delicious selection of Italian cuisine favorites. made from fresh, locally sourced ingredients. Edge Steakhouse is a refined eatery serving Wagyu beef, seafood, and high-end wines amid chandeliers and marble columns. Fortuna is a 24-hour grab-and-go spot situated near the lobby. Fortuna serves Starbucks coffee, sandwiches, ice cream, salads, and award-winning pastries. And I found their selection of sweets and desserts to be quite amazing. Check out the hand-dipped Twinkies on a stick. And the prices are very reasonable there. I picked up a salad and chocolate cake for under $20. The salad was fresh and tasty. The chocolate cake was amazing. It was layers of chocolate mousse and chocolate cake dipped in a dark chocolate truffle coating. Sid's Cafe is a brunch spot that's open from 7 a.m. till 2 p.m. daily. Located right across from the sports book, there's Draft Sports Bar and Grill Express, offering pizza, burgers, wings, sandwiches, and a wide array of draft beers. I ordered a Philly cheesesteak from Grill Express, and it came with a free side of fries or onion rings. It was reasonably priced, but this Philly cheesesteak came with an enormous amount of cheese sauce on it. I'm not opposed to cheese sauce on a Philly cheesesteak, but if it just had a better meat to sauce ratio, it would have been a lot better. Getting to and from the Strip from Westgate was a breeze using the Las Vegas monorail. There is a Las Vegas monorail station entrance located right near the lobby. If you'd like to know more about the Las Vegas monorail, check out the video I made. I'll put a link in the description box below. Thank you for watching and joining me for my stay at Westgate Las Vegas. You can show your support for my content by hitting that super thanks button located right below the screen. You can also buy me a coffee. I put a link in the description box below. Tap one of these boxes up here for more fabulous Las Vegas content. Tap the center icon to subscribe and you will receive notifications on future videos.